Welcome aboard the CAT 773 haul truck equipped with a 13,000 gallon water tank. Today we're going to run you through the features of this water truck. It's equipped with a monitor with a remote control that you can use on the ground or use in the cab. We have a Danfoss monitor, and the water control system has easy features, easy buttons. I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck on. Okay, with the truck running, you're going to select water pump to turn it on. And as you can see, you can select spray heads or auxiliary valves. If I push auxiliary valves, we have the water monitor on the front of the truck. And we have the gravity dump bar, the drip bar at the back. If I select the spray heads, you've got the 2 side sprays that I can select or deselect just by pushing the relevant number. And then you have the 4 spray heads in the rear. You can select all 4, or 1, or 2, or 3, or none at all. So right now I have 3, 4, 7, and 8 selected on the rear spray bar, and off we go. We're on the main page. I can select the spray head timers and program the spray heads to intermittently spray at various time intervals. So on the spray head timer screen, you can see it's in seconds. Here's the on and here's the off. So I can set the on to be any amount of time I want. I'm going to select for 3 seconds, and then I want it to also be off for 3 seconds. Scroll down to programs and hit OK. There's 4 programs available. I could have program 1 be all of the spray heads on the rear. I could set program 2 to be all of the heads, including the side sprays. Program 3 could be the monitor and the side sprays, etc. Options available on this unit. There are many others available. Contact your sales representative for your region and find out more.